Hi, this is Ron Nutter and welcome to another edition of TechBytes with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the MEKE, and I hope I pronounce it right. It's the MK-Z-AF1. This is a macro autofocus extension tube adapter, and it comes in two different types, 11 millimeters and 18 millimeters. And I'll explain more about that a little bit. It's mouthful for a product name, but I tell you what, it's a great product. And three things you need to know. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate that. If you're new to this kind of tech, something to think about involving macro is it involves getting closer to your subject and therefore giving the appearance of magnifying the objects. And what I've noticed, at least this is my interpretation of it, is it decreases your minimum focus distance. So you can get closer to the object, and as you do so, it's going to magnify. And I've gotten some interesting shots that I've used in some of my review videos, and it really, it gets you up close and personal. So it's well worth taking a look at. Now, thing number one, there are several different combinations. There's three actually. Each ring can be used standalone, 11 or 18, or you can stack them. And it doesn't matter if the 11's up front or in back, the same process will occur. Thing number two, you may need to use manual focus to minimize the impact on shutter speed. For me in video, I've not noticed a problem in doing this one. The adapters are very quiet. There were some comments made that I found that said that it was kind of noisy. At least with mine, I can't make any complaints on this one because this is sitting on my Nikon Z30. That's my primary video camera. And so it's been very smooth. I have not had to use manual focus yet, although I can see some situations coming up where that would address another issue that I've been seeing. Thing number three, if you've been using the close-up lenses, and those usually in sets of 3 or 4, and you can stack them in several different combinations. Now, generally with those, the curvature of the lens is going to kind of dictate the order in which they're stacked. That's the one impact there. Getting a macro autofocus extension like this one is the next step up the ladder, at least with being able to drive autofocus. Now, if I had to go to manual focus, that wouldn't bother me. When I got started in photography, there was not even the pros had autofocus. So that would not. Thing number four, this does not ship with a protective case. That's not a big deal. Case is a couple of bucks, and I'm looking at some options. I may go 3D print my own for that matter. So you'll want to keep track of the front and back covers that come with the extender to protect the electronic connections that are in there and just to keep dirt and gunk from getting in there. So really it's not a big deal because I'm using this in a studio situation. So if you're out in the field, you'll need to find some sort of container for it. In worst case, you can use the box for a period of time. So this has been an interesting product to take a look at. Start out with the 11 millimeter ring. Don't immediately go to the 18. You may find yourself a little closer than you want to be. So start out with the 11, then go to the 18, and then look at stacking. There's no wrong way to do this. Take a look at this one. Think about getting one today. You're not going to be disappointed with this one. If you get value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.